हाय गाइस, दिस इज आदिल सरकार। वेलकम टू आवर चैनल आदिल सरकार ऑफिशियल। मैं आज आपके सामने रिव्यू करने वाला हूं Oppo A78 5G के बारे में, जो कि ग्लोइंग ब्लैक 8GB रैम के साथ 128GB स्टोरेज और 5000 mAh की बैटरी के साथ। तो चलिए करते हैं वीडियो को शुरू।
Presenting Oppo A78 5G in the color glowing black. It is also available in glowing blue color. Get super smooth experience with ColorOS 13 and 8GB RAM, expandable up to 8GB and 128GB ROM, which is expandable up to 1TB. Now let us look at the OPPO Glow Design with 6.56-inch color-rich display with 90Hz refresh rate and large screen-to-body ratio of 89.8% gives you a color-rich visual experience. Capture your moments with crystal clear details with AI camera setup, 50MP plus 2MP rear camera and 8MP front camera. Experience the best battery life with 5000 mAh battery with 33W SUPERVOOC Charging. The box includes the handset, adapter and SIM tray ejector. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.